are gonna be doing a review video on a BB gun. This is my first ever review video, yeah, let's just get straight into the video. Remember to subscribe and like the video too. All right. So first up, this is a MP5K. This is a spring-powered BB gun. It probably goes about 200 to 210 feet per second. It's a pretty powerful gun. I'm not gonna lie. I have shot this gun quite a few times, and it has gone straight through a cardboard box, no problem. Like straight through a piece of cardboard, no problem. And yeah, I've had a lot of fun with this thing, and it's cheap too. It's about I don't know, around $80 to $90. So that is quite expensive for a BB gun, but it's worth it. It is made in where does it say? Taiwan? Yeah, it was from. So the designs were in China, and the like the designs were from China, but the making of the gun, like the spring and the power of the gun, were made in Taiwan. So yeah, and it comes with, well, mine it came with 2 magazines, and they hold 20 rounds. As you can see, one is a little bit shorter, but I think one holds 20 rounds and one holds 15. I think this one holds 15, this one holds 20. So yeah, I'm not going to be able to do I'm not going to be able to show you how powerful the gun is in this video, but I'll do it in part 2. So yeah, and first up, as you can see, this gun also, you can also put a tactical thing on and stuff. Like it has like the iron sight like that, and then if you want to look right there, that's how you see the iron sight. And also the barrel is like a little, I don't know if you guys can see that. I'm gonna have to show you in the part 2 video, but it has like a little swirly, kind of like a little edgy thing in there to help the BB spin. So like when it comes out the barrel, and instead of the BB just solid, not even spinning or anything, when the BB comes out the barrel and it's not spinning, it's less accurate. It doesn't go as far. The wind can carry it much easier, but with the spin thing in the barrel, it can help the BB, spin and travel further. The accuracy on this gun, oh, it's phenomenal. It's awesome with the iron sight. I would rather prefer having iron sights. Is the best way. I've tried tactical, and I did not like it. And I'll show you what I did to my tactical sight here. I'll be right back. Alright, so here's what I did to the tactical sight with the BB gun. I shot the glass thing out, and as you can see, it did crack it, because I shot it right in between the middle, and it cracked it open. And then I also shot this thing right too. I hit it right in the center. I don't know if you guys can see the BB dent right there. And it totally just broke the whole entire back of it. I was surprised, but it mainly went on like this. Oh my god, I don't even know if it's gonna want to go back on. There you go. It's back on. But yeah, and it's not as straight as it was before at all. Yeah, it's so unstable, but yeah, this gun is freaking awesome. I would recommend buying this. And if you guys also don't know, the accuracy is awesome on this gun. Like when I've shot it, I always see the BB. I did a slow motion video, but I didn't post it on my YouTube channel. I just wanted to test the accuracy on it to see how good it was. and it actually matched up the BB. I was doing a far range shot, and the BB matched up exactly where I have wanted it to go, and the iron sight travels the BB exactly where you want this to go. So this gun is very accurate. The BBs that they take are these ones. They are little. They are 0.2 gram BBs. They are biodegradable. I would rather prefer the biodegradable white BBs. Like, get the not too heavy ones and not too light ones. These ones are about the medium weight, because this BB gun is better for medium weight BBs. Usually BBs that are around 0.5 to 0.2 are the kind of BBs you want to use for your BB gun. So yep, there we are. And yeah, and just grab the magazine right here. Once I put it in, of course, this is like a normal everyday. It holds in good in this little weight. I really don't know what this weight for. I actually think it's for oh no, I'm gonna sound kind of dumb, but for accuracy. But I sound kind of dumb saying that. There's weights here, but I actually looked, like why some BB guns have a weight on them. And my brother actually told me that it's because so the gun feels more realistic, and like the backlights are actually used for accuracy. So for when you have this up, right, like it's at a slight angle, so it's like it tilted up a little bit, so the BB can fly better and fly upwards like into the iron sight. And then right here, I don't know if you guys can see this part right here is where it holds all the air. So as soon as you pull this back, that thing gets pulled back, and this whole entire back area is completely full of air. And then we shoot it. Oh fuck! I hope there's not a BB in there. Boom! See, I don't know if you guys seen that blast of air that it came out. Hey, but that was pretty cool. Yeah, and then like a normal magazine drop. Come on. But yeah, so let's just load one BB. And I'm gonna test the fire power just once. So as you can see, there's one BB in the mag. Clamp it in, pull it back, and it is, well, one thing that's negative about this gun is kind of hard to pull back, but okay, so we're gonna test it. We're gonna shoot. What do you think that we should shoot? We're gonna shoot this. Just a plain piece of paper. Of course, went straight through the piece of paper. No problem. Hit the couch. Came back and hit me, and it hit the couch. I heard it hit the couch. Came back and hit me, and there's the BB. That actually kind of stung a little bit, I'm not gonna lie. But yeah, and I also shot the bottle the other day, a little bottle, and as you guys can see, I cracked it a little bit. Yeah, I shot it from far range, from all the way down the hallway, which is way down there, all the way to here, and I just blasted the bottle. But yeah, this gun is awesome. I would definitely recommend buying it. The only negative, now onto the negative part. Negative parts about this gun is that, well, it's kind of hard to pull the spring back. That's like you gotta put some weight into pulling that spring head back a little bit. So and another thing about this is that, and another negative thing about this is sometimes the safety isn't that good. So if you put safety up and then you push it, it comes back down sometimes. And another thing about this gun is it has a little bit too much, I think there's a little bit too much see-through in here. There's a little bit too much plastic showing on here. I bought this little a tactical piece right here to cover up some of the plastic to make it look more realistic, more cool, and add a little bit more weight to it. But yeah, you can do that if you want, and also put up the back one, boom, like that. But yeah, I would definitely recommend buying this gun. It's powerful. It's, you know, really good for home protection. It's, you know, really good for having fun with your friends and, you know, shooting out targets and everything. And remember always, guys, have a nice day. Remember always to keep your chin up. You know, be happy. You know, oh man, I really don't want to copy any other YouTubers, but remember, be happy. Remember to click that like button. Remember to leave a comment. And then yeah, if you guys want to go buy the BB gun, you can go on to. Well, I actually got this one at an airsoft shop, but you know, you could, you know, yeah. But I would definitely recommend buying this gun, and yeah. Yeah, and dribble out.